Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this puzzle. It's exactly the same, and a couple of people have already asked for it, and I'm sure people have taken it off Facebook. I'm really thinking this is hard, and a couple of people, I posted this yesterday morning on Facebook, and one of them said to do an outline of Albert Einstein. That's going to be pretty cool. So there's a lot of pieces not marked, so it's still going to be difficult. Really, and especially if they didn't know, give them the puzzle mixed up, they don't know, they wouldn't know who's on there. And even if they don't, even if they do, I mean, there's some parts that would still be difficult. And so it's just a suggestion. So now, if you ask for this puzzle, you're going to get this graphic. Now, this is a vector engraved item, so after you're done, what I did, I put P, put this in the center of the page, and then put this at the top left of your laser. And then you could actually take away the center part and just put Albert in there. It's a pretty good idea. I really appreciate the person who suggested it. And see, this way I've got some on the leading edges of the puzzle, but you can minutely move it around by changing your nudge factor to 0.25 and take your Albert and move him around where he's not touching the outside of the puzzle too much. And you could reduce it. Some other people said something about put a geometric shape, and which is pretty good too. But anyway, so if you ask for the file now, this will be included. This will not. It came out really good. I'm really happy with it. Now, I did use MDF for the bottom and plywood for the outside and plywood for the pieces. The first one I made was basically MDF and MDF. The plywood cuts good. It's actually a little bit faster. It sands really good. Now to sand this, and I should have taken pictures, when I take it out of the laser, I take blue tape and put a bunch of blue tape covering it, take it to the shop, to my other shop, and turn it upside down and sand the bottom. And then I retape the top that I just sanded, and then I'll turn it over and finish the other, sanded other, because you do want to get rid of the burn residue. But anyway, that's a pretty good idea. I really appreciate that person on Facebook suggestion that I would have never thought of that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.